Lawyers for Sean Combs are expected to wrap up cross-examination for his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura today at the music mogul's criminal trial. Lawyers and Combs' sons arrived for the trial in New York earlier today. The defense team has been questioning Ventura all week as they tried to convince the jury she was a willing participant in Combs' sex parties. Combs has pleaded not guilty to charges that include racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. Michael Sisek is a reporter with the Associated Press. He has been in the courtroom today and joins us now live from New York. Michael, Cassie Ventura is back on the stand for another day of cross-examination. What's happened in the court so far today?
Good afternoon. Yeah, just a few minutes ago, Sean Combs' lawyer wrapped up her cross-examination of Cassie, and now a prosecutor is in the phase of testimony known as redirect, where she is asking more questions, more prosecution questions of Cassie to really clear up things that came up on cross-examination that Cassie was not able to fully explain, to provide more context. Cassie has been on the stand for 4 days. This is her 4th day of testimony. The judge has insisted she get off the stand by the end of today. She is pregnant and expecting her 3rd child very soon. But she has endured a very long, very meticulous cross-examination from Combs' lawyer, Ana Estevaya, where she had to read text messages, explicit messages that she exchanged with Combs over the years. The defense lawyers are trying to portray her, as you said, as a willing participant in these so-called freak-offs, and that she kept going back when she would break up with Combs. She kept going back and kept participating in what she says were hundreds of freak-offs. At the same time, at the end of cross-examination, the lawyer tried to suggest that Cassie came forward and sued Combs in November of 2023 because she was in financial trouble. The lawyer suggested that she moved her family into her parents' home in Connecticut because of financial trouble, which Cassie said was not true. And then the lawyer pointed out that she was going to go on a concert tour and perform in Australia and New Zealand at the beginning of 2024, but she settled that lawsuit with Combs for $20 million and then canceled that tour. But Cassie said that wasn't the reason she canceled. She is still on the stand, but her testimony is expected to wrap up today.
So if it is expected to wrap up today, where does the trial go next?
So Cassie was just the 3rd prosecution witness called, and prosecutors have said that they expect their case to take up to a month or more. The judge told jurors that he expects this case to be wrapped up by July 4th, the American Independence Day. So while we in the public like to see things, draw conclusions perhaps or analyze what's happening, we still have plenty more witnesses to go. More of the male sex workers that prosecutors say Combs invited into the freak-offs, and another woman that they say was involved in these drug-fueled sex marathons.
Michael Sisek is an Associated Press reporter joining us from New York. Thank you, Michael.